So for the actual speech tracker part of the app, I once again went down some rabbit holes. I found this code that can help a person it records the words, that the input of words either typed in or spoken. And I saw it gave some other information such as the date, the app name, the hour, and it has a count on it. So it is a word counter API, so to speak. But once again, I was not able to get this to run effectively. I might be missing a few things. So if I run it, actually here, run speech tracker, and I don't have the right files or the directories here, so I'd have to dig around a bit more to find what I need there. I tried to do that, and like I said, I went down a rabbit hole. But as far as how I envision the app actually recording and tracking the speech, I don't really want it to just track words. I'd like it to perhaps track amount or time spoken. So how long were the utterances as a whole, kind of an aggregate of the speech in the L1 and the L2 for the day. But perhaps this might be the way that I would first have to go about that, and maybe find some kind of code that would run the time that built up from that spoken speech. So that is just one of the ideas that I had for getting this app to record and track the speech.